Okay, especially the PETROJAM scandal, because people have been fired, people have resigned from their position, people have to give back money that they have had in their position that wasn't rightfully theirs in the first place. Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat here on YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Did y'all miss me? But like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube for the latest news and reviews. And today's video, we're going to be talking about the PNP plans a walkout every time Wheatley speaks in Parliament. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. So let's get right into this video. The opposition National Party says it will stage a walkout during every address given by the embattled Science and Technology Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley in the House of Representatives when settings resume after the summer break. We are not going to sit in Parliament when Wheatley stands as a minister in the Parliament. It is a disrespect to the Parliament and the opposition side, Chairman of the PNP Fitz Jackson said at a press conference Friday at the party Old Hope Road headquarters in St. Andrew. He has a right to be here as a member of the Parliament. We respect that. He was voted in by the people of South Central St. Catherine, but we will not have any regard for his ministerial position, Jackson continued. And anytime he raises in Parliament to speak as minister, we are definitely going to be out of the chamber. We are not going to walk up permanently. We are going to be absent during his interventions. We have no regard for his ministerial authority. There have been growing calls for the PNP and members of civil society for Wheatley to either resign or be fired from the cabinet. This is over his stewardship of several state-run entities, including the country's lone oil refinery, PETROJAM, which has been mired in scandal. I think they mean smeared, but they actually have mired here. Which have been smeared in scandal for several months, and over which Wheatley previously had portfolio responsibility when he was also the Minister of Energy. And as you guys know, Andrew Holness completely switched out his cabinet members. So Wheatley was the one that was handling the PETROJAM thing when it went down, which I will get into more details later on in the video. But now he is a minister. He is a different minister. He has a different portfolio. He's running a different part of the government, or part of Parliament, I should say. But while Prime Minister Andrew Holness stripped Wheatley of his energy portfolio in June and assumed responsibility for energy-related matters, Wheatley has retained a place in the executive. While he continued to sit in the cabinet, there is a growing list of casualties at the entities for which he had responsibilities. In the wake of the PETROJAM scandal, during which there have been allegations of questionable spending and contractual arrangements, massive cost overruns, nepotism and cronyism, as well as breaches of the government's procurement guidelines, there have been a string of resignations or firings. These include the 3 former Jamaican members of the board, Dr. Percival Bahusai, Richard Carey, Harold McCallum, I can't pronounce his name, Harold Malcolm, as well as General Manager Floyd Gridley. At the state-run National Energy Solutions Limited, where questionable practice have been also uncovered by Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, embattled Managing Director Carol Warren tendered her resignation on Wednesday. Warren cited the pressure being faced by her and her family after it was revealed that she had been convicted of drug offenses nearly 25 years ago, but which was not disclosed at the time she was employed by NESOL. So Mr. Wheatley was the one that was in charge of the PETROJAM scandal when it all went down. So he was the one that actually gave the go-ahead for them to actually spend 90 million Jamaican dollars to build a wall for people to take trips that they really didn't take trips for. Like the one of the board members was supposed to take a trip to Canada or England, but when they went back they realized that that trip was cancelled because of bad weather, and they still had to pay quite a few hundreds of US dollars for that plane fare, even though the thing was cancelled and everybody was supposed to be reimbursed with their money back. That person still had the money in their possession, which was supposed to be given back to Jamaica's government. Okay, and he was also in charge of the National Energy Solutions Limited when they hired managing director Carol Warren, and Carol Warren has 6 convictions. Okay, she has 6 convictions. And if you're going to hire somebody to work in Parliament, I would like it to be somebody that actually is supposed to be in that position, and somebody that's not an outright thief or that's an outright crook, that haven't been convicted. Even though a lot of Jamaicans will tell you everybody in Parliament are white-collared criminals, they are thieves themselves. But this lady has 6 convictions, okay, which she did not disclose to the government before they employed her. So now it's coming back to bite her in the butt. But do you guys think that Wheatley needs to resign, be fired, or him be replaced? Because there is no way you're supposed to be a politician and you're supposed to be handling these organizations and managing money and making sure everything is taken care of, and you let simple things like these slip through the cracks. Like you're hiring somebody with 6 convictions, or giving the okay for someone to build a wall that costs 90 million Jamaican dollars. There's no way in hell a wall that is supposed to go around a facility or go around a building is supposed to cost 90 million dollars. Okay, what are they making? Then they make one wall of gold, or them what they make? But that's neither here nor there. Comment what you think what needs to be done to Wheatley. Comment who do you think would make a good replacement for him. I'm not a PNP fan, I'm not a JLP fan, but in this case I feel like the JLP I feel like the PNP members have a right to walk out when Wheatley is speaking in Parliament, because he don't deserve respect. He don't deserve them being there and listening to his plans when his plans that he had did never work before, and he didn't do his job as minister. So I don't fault them for not wanting to sit there and listen to him. Also, do you think it's disrespectful or distasteful for them to walk out when he's speaking? Do you think it's okay for them to do that? The PNP Parliament members, do you think it's okay for them to do that? And also, Mr. Andrew Holness have not said anything, not one word about the PETROJAM scandal or the National Energy Solution Limited scandal. Nothing has been said about it, and that shows you the level of respect he has for Jamaica people, because this has been all over media, okay, especially the PETROJAM scandal, because people have been fired, people have resigned from their position, people have to give back money that they have had in their position that wasn't rightfully theirs in the first place. So that shows you the level of respect that Andrew Holness have for Jamaica's people, because he has not addressed any of it. Any. So comment in the comment section on what you think about Andrew Holness not addressing any of it either. Comment everything. Do you think Andrew Holness needs to comment on what's going on with the PETROJAM scandal and also the National Energy Solution scandal? Do you think Wheatley needs to be replaced, fired, or he needs to resign? And what do you guys think about the PETROJAM scandal and the National Energy Solution scandal in the comment section below? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a party here, man. Deuces. So after filming this video yesterday, about 4 hours later, I got a notification on my phone that Wheatley resigned from his position in Parliament. Essence, looking at it, him resigning does not do anything for me personally, because he's still going to get Jamaica's taxpayers' dollars. He's still going to get a pension. He should have been fired, in essence, looking at it now, because I'm sure that some of the money that have went missing has been shared up, and he's gonna be living lovely and living large right now. Do you think him resigning now is too good for him, or do you think he should have been fired? And who do you think is going to replace him, and if they're going to do a better job? And leave your comments in the comment section. And we still haven't gotten any answer as to where some of the money has gone, and we still haven't gotten any answer as to how the money was dispersed or what the money was used for. So that's something to keep in mind. And he has resigned, so now he don't have to answer to anybody. But like, comment, share, and subscribe like I said, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.